The aftercare process is the most important and critical component that you as a client can contribute to your treatment. This would allow for an effective healing process and ensure that we achieve the desired final result. Make sure to follow these guidelines after each and every session with no exception.
At the conclusion of every session, your practitioner will highlight all the criteria outlining in this video. In addition, you will be provided with a link to this video. However, if you have any question or concern that are specific to you, feel free to ask your practitioner during your session. And in the event, if you forget to ask during your visit, you can always contact our office directly.
Most clients come with head coverings such as baseball caps or hats. These items are fine to wear during your commute home. However, make sure not to wear it so snug that you may begin to sweat. Place items loosely and carefully in your scalp.
While most treatments look finalized after 2 sessions to the untrained eye, we strongly recommend that you take full advantage of all 3 sessions before you consider your treatment to be finalized and complete. During your consultation, we outline the time frames between the sessions. However, we will reiterate it before we proceed with the aftercare process. The first and second sessions are roughly 1 to 2 weeks apart. The third session is done at a minimum of 3 to 4 weeks from the second session. This will provide your scalp with the necessary time frame your scalp needs to heal, exfoliate, and for the pigment to settle or lighten.
The settling or lightness of pigment is to be expected after each and every session. Over the next 5 days, you can expect for the deposits of pigment to settle between 10 to 30% from the initial darkness. This is completely normal as your skin heals and forms a layer over the new deposits of pigment, and as your body absorbs the pigment into the skin. While with time, your deposits will continue to settle and lighten, this will vary based on your lifestyle, the health of your overall scalp, and how you naturally break down the pigment. However, this should be a gradual and much slower process than the initial 10 to 30%.
After every session, you can expect some tenderness, redness, and potential scabbing, which can cause mild itching. On average, you expect the more tenderness to go away by the next day, if not within a few hours. The redness will subside in about 2 to 5 days after your session as your scalp gradually normalizes to its natural skin tone. Scabbing or itching, on the other hand, is only to be expected if you have a dry scalp and if it gets dry during the healing process. Note that the more severe the dryness, then the more tenderness, redness, scabbing, and itching to be expected. Rest assured that your practitioner will apply non-petroleum ointment to help rejuvenate and moisturize your scalp, which will accelerate the healing process if needed.
In addition, after each and every session, you will be provided with a free aftercare package that contains enough A&D ointment to carry you over to the next 5 days. Most clients do not need to apply this during the healing session. However, in the event that you are instructed to do so, make sure you wait into the next day, then truly wash your hands with soap for at least 20 seconds before touching your scalp. Make sure to be very gentle and only apply a thin layer, as this will prevent disturbance in the healing process.
Here is a list of what not to do during the next 5 days. Do not scratch your scalp. Instead, give your scalp a light and gentle tap if needed, or apply the non-petroleum ointment with the protocol outlined previously. Do not shampoo or wet your scalp. Part of the complimentary aftercare package is a shower cap, which you should use when showering. If you must take a shower with hot water, then make sure to open the window or crack the bathroom door. This will prevent you from creating steam and condensation in your shower cap. We strongly recommend that you take a lukewarm shower at best. If water accidentally does land on top of your scalp, immediately do your best to stop this and prevent further water from hitting your scalp. You can then use a clean baby wipe and gently remove the water. Avoid excess sweating, which means no cardio activities, no gym activities, or anything that will cause strong perspiration. Normal sweat from summertime heat is okay. However, do your best to mitigate this and try to remain in a cool environment.
As an additional measure, here are some items or precautions to avoid for the next 7 days. Following each and every session, do not apply any topical products that contain minoxidil or alcohol. For example, Rogaine, styling products such as gel or mousse. Finally, do not swim in chlorinated pools or seawater.
On day 5, you can finally remove the shower cap during your shower and allow for the water to hit the scalp and the new deposits of pigment. You should also use a gentle shampoo such as baby shampoo or apply the Gerow Hair Ink shampoo provided to you as part of your complimentary aftercare package. Do not be afraid to apply pressure when applying the shampoo. You can also start applying a gentle moisturizer such as baby lotion or the moisturizer provided to you, which is also included in your complimentary aftercare package. Apply moisturizer after every shower, before bed, and before leaving your home. However, if your scalp is very oily, then apply a matte finish lotion with an anti-shine component such as Peter Thomas Roth. You can also start applying a sun protection ointment or spray above 50% moving forward.
Long-term aftercare is very simple. Cut your hair at your desired length and as frequently as needed. Remember to always apply a gentle shampoo during showers and to generously apply a moisturizer to maintain a healthy scalp. This will help maintain the potency of your treatment, as dryness of your scalp or too much sun exposure can lighten or dull your treatment and accelerate the need for a touch-up. Touch-up frequency will vary in length based on how stringent you are following these aftercare guidelines. Your lifestyle, further hair loss, your desired goals remain the same, and how your body absorbs the pigment. However, generally speaking, you can expect a touch-up between 2 to 5 years after completing your 3rd session if you follow a 3 sessions protocol that we outlined before.
Thank you for choosing Gerow Hair Ink as your scalp micropigmentation provider.
And if you have any questions, remember you can always speak directly to your practitioner during your treatment or contact us directly.
Welcome to our family.